Make a great choice today with the 2022 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires front all season, tires rear all season, LED headlights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.